I'm back. Yes, get into this hair, girl. Get into it. Look. It really looks like my hair. To be honest, it looks like my hair, but it ain't.
Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Where you from? Get some. Where you from?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be installing a crochet unit using this oval part crochet wig cap from Shake and Go. I've done this style before, but I've never used their oval part wig cap before. So this will be my first time using this. I'm pretty excited. The last time I did a similar look, I used just like a regular mesh crochet net over my head, but it wasn't as easy to use because I had to cut it around my leave out and all that stuff. So I'll be using 3 packs of the FREETRESS Yaky crochet braid. It's actually called the Yaky Bounce. Now I've used this style before and I loved it. I just never did a YouTube video on it. So this will be my first video with this hair. And I personally like using crochet styles with leave out of my own hair, because not only does the crochet, this Yaky texture, it really blends well with my hair versus other Yaky textured hair. You know, sometimes they can be too silky looking. If my hair is frizzy that day, it just looks a mess. This hair is really good. It's very thick and bouncy, so definitely the name here, Yaky Bounce, it's not lying to you. It really is a good quality. So I just opened up the package. I'm going to try to zoom in on this so you can see a little better. But with the oval part cap in the front, it's got 3 clips for security, so that's even better. There's also an additional comb on the very back of the cap. So you've got a total of 4 combs. Okay. So it does have an elastic band on the side, and I feel like this is going to be a little too big for me, which is surprising because I got a big head. So what I'm going to do is just put this comb that's in the middle here into that top braid that I just sewed down. And I'm going to push this comb into the front braid. Okay. Push that down. Now, I'm probably going to need to sew this a little, okay. So now what I'm going to do is, for extra reinforcement, I want to sew down this extra cap. I don't know about y'all, but I always have to lick the end of my string to fit it in the needle. For some reason, that just helps me push it in there, because this is like stressful sometimes. Alright. I love DIY. I love doing things myself. If I can get it done and I can save money, that's even better. Of course, there are other brands of crochet wig caps that you can buy. You don't have to go with this one. I just thought it would be more convenient because it has the combs and it already is cut in the oval shape, so that's less work I have to do. But it's also kind of like a one-size-fits-all cap, so you're going to have to do a little extra tightening. I'm going to just sew this part of the cap down onto my braid so it's easier. So if you remember, I had those 3 rows of braids here on the side. I'm just sewing the perimeter of this cap down along my braid. So that way it's just a little bit more snug. Because also you don't want the cap to be too thick across your head. Because we still want to achieve that flat look, right? Okay, so I think that's all I'm going to do for the back of this. Just going to cut that excess string. And I'm actually going to tie this. I can see where this is like bubbling up here. Now, I'm gonna just try my best to sew it down. Alright, so if that doesn't work, I'm just gonna go at an angle. And these holes are pretty big, so my string is not really wanting to stay. So I'm just gonna have to do several loops at once to keep it down. Okay, there we go. Let's move on to the install. So I'm gonna be using this first. As far as adding it to the bottom, I'm gonna start at the bottom. Whenever you're doing a crochet style like this, you wanna start at the bottom and work your way up. I'm pretty destructive, so I just like to rip stuff. But I'm gonna try to open this as neatly as I can. Now if you kind of go at it from an angle on the side, you'll notice there's a little opening here, and I think I can just open the box up this way. Anyway, so I'm pulling off this thing so I can get into the hair. Now on the back side, you've got these three like twist ties. I'm just gonna undo one at a time. Alright, so this is, let's just say this is like one bundle. And it comes on like this plastic straw, which is also attached to that twist tie. So to keep everything kind of neat and in order, I'm just going to leave all of the hair here. But just look how pretty that is. I mean, the texture of it, it's got a nice shine to it, but it's not like doll hair. It doesn't look synthetic, even though it is synthetic. It's like Yaky. It reminds me of Kaninkalon hair, but it's just it's just smoother. Alright, so another thing about this, not only is it looped, it's pre-looped, but you can even pull, it's got like this little band, and you can pull on it, at least I thought you could, yeah, to open up the loop a little bit wider. So if you've got wider fingers, I got long fingers and long nails, so I need a little bit more room to work with this loop. So I'm just going to start by adding this to the bottom. If you push your crochet hook downwards as you're installing, it will help you create a more seamless crochet style. You're not going to see the knots as much anymore. So I'm going to just go ahead and start looping. Start here. Now, so I pretty much have just looped the hair onto the hook. I'm pulling the hook through that hole, and now I need to take the hook off. Now what I'm taking with the end of the hair, I'm going to go through that loop that we started with. That's what's going to help you tie the hair down. So once you do that, you just pull on it. I'm going to try to pull that band that I opened up back to the top. You can also do this by gently separating the hair and just pulling on it. I will show you my progress, and stay tuned. I'm back. Yes, get into this hair, girl. Get into it. Look, this is one pack of hair, y'all. One pack. And with my big head, I'm actually shocked. I don't think I'm going to need all 3 packs. So this is one pack of hair. And it's very thick and full. It's not tangly. It doesn't shed. I love this freaking hair. And better yet, I think it cost me $11.99. Or was it $10.99? Anyways, it was like under $12 a pack for this hair. So in total, what's that? I'm not good at mental math. You know, for under $40, you can have a bomb ass look. And I'm not even done yet. I'm not even done yet. But I just wanted y'all to see. I wanted y'all to see the color. I love it. The texture. I love it. It's so easy to install. It did take me about 30 minutes to just do this one pack. So I'm going to go ahead and finish. I'm going to go ahead and finish the install with the rest of the hair that I have. I only have 2 packs left. One is another ombre set and another regular. This new hairstyles just give me life, guys. Like, I'm going to finish this and come back. Okay. I am back. Look at this, guys. Okay, so this is a total of 2.5 packs, and I'm squinting my eyes because I had to think about it. 2.5 packs of hair. I'm gonna save the rest of the number 2 hair here, just in case I need it for if my hair falls out. Like the last time I did this style, I remember as time went on, of course, like when you're brushing it, when you're processing it, you're gonna have a couple of these crochet knots slip out. It is what it is. Just expect that to happen. So it is possible that you're gonna have some pieces fall out, so it's good to have a few left behind as a backup, so you can just plug that stuff right back in. So what I'm gonna do, whoops, I'm about to flat iron my leave out here, and so I've had it in this Bantu knot, and it's all curly, and it's still damp from earlier when I washed my hair. Yeah, I'm looking extra crazy. I need to get I need to get my blow dryer and smooth this out a little bit more. But I'm about to take that, smooth it out, flat iron it, and style it so you all can see the final look. So stay tuned. Okay, so I'm ready to tame this mess of a leave out that I have the top. I like to use this Tresemme Keratin Smooth 5-in-1 serum. I feel like it really helps create some shine and keep your hair smooth and keep it frizz free. So I'm just going to rub this all through my hair, the leave out. Try not to put any product on the Yaky hair if you can. I will be doing some follow-up videos to kind of show you guys my maintenance routine, and eventually I will probably add some oil. I'm just going to see how it goes, see how the hair does on its own before I do that. So I'm going to try my best not to get any of this serum mixed in with this crochet hair, because I don't want it to weigh it down or anything like that. So let's get started. I'm going to blow dry my hair, and then I'm going to flat iron to smooth it out. But I'm not really trying to achieve a real silky look here, because I need it to match and still match the texture of the Yaky hair. So here we go. I feel like this is good enough. I don't have to wing it. So I'm just going to section the hair, and I'm going to smooth it out with my flat iron. Way too complicated for me. So what I do like about this oval part is you can really do a lot of different parts with your leave out, as long as you leave enough of your own hair out, depending on the style that you're trying to achieve. So you could do a middle part, you could do a side part, you could do, yeah, that's about it. That's about all you can do. But you know, if you want to switch it up, it's not like when you get a sew-in and you only have one part, or the braid, your braid pattern only allows for a middle part or what have you. This gives me a little bit more flexibility as far as what I want to do with my parts. Also, try not to flat iron the crochet hair. It will melt just like that. I just got some in my hair. I got some mixed in, so be careful. You don't want this stuff to melt into your own hair. And, you pay for it, so you don't want to be melting the hair off. So just, ooh. Yeah, it got in. Oh, no. Oh, no. Hold on.
Ooh. Ooh. Hold on. Ah, hold on. Ooh, damn, hold on. hold on. Okay, let me do it this way. Ow. Okay, this kind of hurts. But at the same time, my hair is actually getting straight.
Ooh, got some crisp action. No, but look at all this. That just melted off. I need to be more careful, okay? So just pay attention to what you're doing. If I have my little clip, I don't know what I did with it just now. This would be a lot easier for me to separate the hair. So I just need to pay attention to what I'm doing. And let's try this again.
For me, everywhere she go, they playing my songs. That's why I say the things that I say.
Oh, I'm still getting the hair mixed in. I don't know how. How, Sway? Ugh, that's annoying. Now it's melting onto my flat iron. Alright, kids, don't try this at home. Get somebody to do this for you, because when DIY projects go wrong, either that or just try to keep a towel handy so you can, you know, wipe the burnt crochet hair. But as you can see, I mean, this is such a natural look. Such a natural look. Like, this hair, easy bomb. Easy bomb. Easy bomb. Mira, mira, mira. Ay. So another thing about this hair, it might look puffy right now. The quality, oh my gosh. Alright, this is all my fault. This is a user error. Cause I really didn't mean to melt all this freaking hair. Like, I just don't understand. So I think that's all I'm gonna do to smooth it. I think it looks good. I look good. I'm excited, guys. I'm so excited about this. I'm so excited. Now this look should last me 4 to 5 weeks. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep it in, but I will definitely be updating you all. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you again for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those below. I'm going to provide some links to the hair and the wig cap that I use, so look for those if you are interested. And feel free to let me know if you tried it. I'd be interested to see how it came out for you. So, again, nothing but 5 stars on this hair. You know, it looks like I have a sew-in. It really looks like my hair. To be honest, it looks like my hair. But it ain't. Alright guys, I'm gone. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
So, I don't know how many passes I just did, but this actually does work. I'm utterly surprised. As you guys can see, my root is still like crumpy and curly, but the rest of my hair actually is straight, bitch. Hold on. Let me just do one more pass for verification. Oh, this hair is straight, bitch. I can use this to do my man bun stuff. Hold on, bitch. Okay, let's do another section, ho.